Hey guys, just rushing back on here real quick. We just finished a 29-point winner on the long side, and now I'm looking to short this thing. NASDAQ up 5.5%, 5.6% here today. And this is the 1 minute chart looking to take a short. Let me just give it to you right now. Below this wick. See that there? Below that wick. Here we go. Shorting that thing right now. Live order. It's not actually short yet, but if it hits this, it's in, right? I apologize for speaking very quickly here. I'm just trying to make sure that we get this captured before it happens. I don't like this idea of just filming something later and showing it. This is before, during, and after, win or lose, and this is the way we do things. Looking for 30 points there. Not in yet, of course. It needs to be triggered, and if you watch my videos, you know how I do things here. Looking for 30 points there. All right, this is an emergency stop here. Emergency stop. The order is live now. I might cancel it, by the way. As you know, I will sometimes cancel these things if new information tells me this is not going to happen right now. I have no problem doing that. We're nimble traders, right? We're believing the dance the market is bringing to us in the moment. And we're acknowledging and relinquishing leadership to the market. The NASDAQ is the leader of the dance in this case, because that's what I'm trading. It's much more powerful than I am, stronger than I am, knows more than I do. It is right. If anything, I'm usually wrong. If I have a differing opinion, right? What is the market telling me in any given moment? So why am I looking at this trade? Here's why. First of all, we're up 5.6%. Statistically, it's gone too far. Not true, right? As you heard me just say in the last video that I just uploaded now on this 29-point win right here. Don't ever believe that the market can't go higher. It absolutely can. But we are also now at key resistance, multi-day resistance. It takes us way back to here. You see that piece? We've just filled this clean traffic in one move, right? And now we've entered a new arena, which is the New York cash market open. We sold off initially, and now we've rallied again, but now should, according to the dance, falter here at this resistance level, especially with that sort of doji-esque candle that penetrated and then broke down below. I'm now in this trade. I'm now in this trade here. My stop is exactly where you see it. Bear with me. Just watching a few things here at the same time on my own account. I want to participate in this with you. We're going to manage this thing very quickly now if we get the chance to. We may just get stopped out real fast because there's a ton of buying in this market. And there it is. There's the buying up right there. Let's see if we're going to get taken out. Looks like we might get taken out on this one. 23 points. Yeah, here it comes. Are you ready for it? I am. It's just a routine expense. It's just a routine expense in an ongoing business practice, right? Every business has expenses. Let's see if this thing can go lower. For nervous traders, you can still get out near break even right now if you want to. I'm staying in. I'm taking the hit. Getting ready now. Getting ready for that loss. The word loss brings pain to people. There's a connotation to loss that somehow affects our personality and our self-worth. It changes me because I just lost. That means I'm a loser, right? It's not true. It's a coin toss. So when you toss a coin and it lands on tails, but you called heads, are you a loser because of it? No. You watching this price action? Keep watching. Keep watching. It's not over yet. Buying's going to come flying in here all of a sudden. Stop above current body. Stop above current body. Here it comes. Are you prepared to take this? Lots of buying wanting to come in here because this must be a bullish thing. I mean, look at this market up 5.7%, right? It's big. Watching this very closely now, very closely. If I get the chance, I will take a likely break even on this. If I get the chance, much higher chance of taking a loss right now. Ready for it. Here comes the buying again. Watching now. Stop to break even. Stop to break even now. Almost sure to take a break even at this point. I'm okay with it. We are now pain-free, guys, right? Still in. Still in. We're at break even. Zooming in on purpose so you can see this real close here. I trade futures, and so the spreads are very small, usually quarter point in a situation like this. And so I basically have to be hit there. Here it comes. Nope. To be taken out. Sometimes it gets very close and people go, well, weren't you stopped out with spreads? No. When I traded CFDs, yes, I was. I don't trade CFDs anymore. I just think first of all, I think they're expensive and the spreads are way too big. And I found it to be very frustrating for scalping, but futures are a very different ballgame. Very whippy. Super high chance of being taken out at break even. I'm okay with it. Rookie traders would jump out now and just take this profit. It's a nice few points here, right? Still in. Wow, that was close. Here it comes though. And still in. And still in. Wow, this is crazy. Just so you know, I'm actually at 426. That's close enough. You can see what I'm doing here. Look at that action. I mean, those wicks. Right? There's fresh buying, fresh buying, fresh buying, fresh buying, but this thing wants to drop by gravity at this point. And that's why we're here. So we have a risk-free opportunity to participate here to the downside, right? Risk-free now. Wasn't in the beginning, obviously, like any trade. And now we can just relax and wait. Nothing to lose. And out. There's the break even, guys, but it was worth the risk, right? You saw what happened there. This idea of being able to take part in the downside and moving our stop to break even when it made good logical sense, rational sense in the context of the symmetry, the proportion, the candle sizes, the wick sizes, and so on and so forth. This market is still very much inviting new buyers to join this party, right? It's very often because of FOMO, right? There are hundreds of thousands of players on the sidelines saying, oh no, the bottom is in. We're up 5.6% and I'm not there. So the moment we get some of a relief, some of a pullback, that's my opportunity to get in and to get a bargain from just 10 or 12 minutes ago, right? Without missing everything. Thanks for being with me, guys. That was a really good trade. We made zero money, we lost zero money, and we participated in a potential move that didn't materialize. That's trading. Thanks for joining me. We will talk to you soon. Take care.